If you ever wanted to put lights to your pool and you can't because you don't want to run electricity, well, this is a solution for you. Now, it took me about 5 minutes to put these things together. It's going to tell you in the front how much charge it has. The LED lights are going to change into, if you want, there's a power button there. But this goes under submerge if you want, or outside the water. It could be either or. Now, the whole thing has a solar panel, so you don't have to worry about actually charging. I am setting the kit in here. We're going to press down. They have a couple of different options that you can use to set this up. Now, there is a bracket in here. There's some actually rubber ends that you could set up too, exactly like here. All you have to do is to marry these two, you have to put the little tiny screw here so it could hold on. Right now, currently, you could set it up at level that you want depending on your thickness of your actual pool. Now that we secured it underneath the actual pool, so if you guys can see, the grip is right here. We're gonna get plenty of sun in the night. We're gonna come back at night to see how this thing works. But right now, I just want you to see it's not even in the water yet, but we are going to plan to put it against the entire water as soon as we actually fill it up some more. So we'll come back at night to see how it works. All right, check this out. Right now, we only have one solid color, but look at this. The entire pool is lighting up. We're going to change the actual tone of it. And right now, we're at 19 right now. So let's go and change the colors. Brighter. We could lower it down from here. Change the color from here. Look at that. We can set up 3 all the way to 4 hours. Look at that. Turn it off. Turn it on.